Hello everyone, today we're diving into Jetpack Compose Affirmations app built with Jetpack Compose. This app presents a list of positive affirmations, each paired with meaningful images. We'll walk through the setting up the layout, defining key components, and customizing the app icon for a polished finish. The Affirmations app is structured to display each affirmation in a card format with an image and text. Our main focus is to build a simple, responsive user interface that feels native on Android and takes advantage of Jetpack Compose's powerful UI toolkit. Our journey begins in the main activity file, where we set the foundation for the app by defining the main UI container. Here we use Jetpack Compose's set content function to display the content directly, wrapped within a material theme. This theme helps to keep a unified look and feel throughout the app. Within main activity, we call the Affirmations App composable function, which holds the main screen layout for displaying our affirmation cards. The app is structured with Compose's surface container to provide consistent background color and some padding adjustments to keep content away from the status bar. Now let's move on to the Affirmations card function, which defines the visual layout of each affirmation item in our list. Each card includes an image at the top that represents the affirmation visually. The image spans the full width of the card and scaled to fill the space. Below the image, we have the text for the affirmation itself, which appears in a bold style and is padded for clarity and focus. Using Jetpack Compose, it makes it easy to define this structure in a declarative way, where we specify how each item should look and Compose handles the rendering. Displaying the affirmation list. Next, we use the affirmation list composable to display multiple affirmation cards in a scrollable list. This component leverages Jetpack Compose lazy column, which efficiently renders only the visual items in a list, helping with performance especially for longer lists of items. By referencing a data source class that provides a list of affirmation objects, each with the image and text, lazy column displays each item in a clear and accessible format. Finally, let's discuss customizing the app icon. The app icon files are set up as a vector drawables, which offer flexibility across different screen sizes and resolutions. Android vector drawables support gradients, scaling, and paths, allowing us to create sharp, visual appealing icons. To change the app icon, we first create a modified vector drawable files in the res drawable file directory. This would be in your project file. If you go, normally you start in Android, we would select the project at the top here, and this is where you'd add with your background and forehand.xml files in your drawable. Next, within each vector file, we define shapes, colors, and gradients to make the icon unique, which you can customize however you would like. Then we link the drawable as the app icon in the manifest file. Android Studio's image assist tool can help us if you want to easily import and adjust custom design. Within this setup, the affirmations icon will look sharp on any device, maintaining consistency with the app's theme and branding. So, here is the app. The big feature of this app is the scrollable option. So if we click on the screen, we can scroll through the list of different affirmation and images that we have of the cards. Then if we go to the home screen on our emulator, you can see we have a different customized app here. Usually if you don't change it, you'll see just a green Android app icon. But here I've changed the app icon to fit with the app itself. And that's the Affirmations app. Today we walked through building a simple, powerful app layout with Jetpack Compose, including how to display list affirmation cards and customizing the app icon. This project demonstrates how Compose simplifies the UI structure and enables us to focus on creating meaningful content without getting bogged down by XML layouts. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tutorials on Android development with Jetpack Compose.